This mental math trick will take the fear of percentages away. How? Take a look at this. Let us find 16% of 25. All you have to do in this case is just to flip it. So 16% of 25 is same thing as 25% of 16. You see that it has become easier. So 25% is the same thing as 1/4. When we have 25% means 25 over 100, and that is 1/4. 50% means 50 over 100, and that is what? 1/2. 75% equals 75 over 100, and that is what? 3/4. Correct. So if you have 20%, that is the same thing as 20 over 100, and that will be what? 1/5. So now back to our trick. So 25% of 16% of 25 is same thing as 25% of 16, and this means 1/4 times 16, and that is 4. So 25% of, 16% of 25 is 4. Simple. Now let's try 40% of 50. So when you have something like this, just flip it so that we have 50% of 40, and 50% is 1/2. That means half of 40, and that will give 20. That's simple. You can easily do this without writing it down. Now let's solve 16% of 75. What will this be? That will be 3/4 times 16, and that will be 3 times 4, 12. So this will be, when we flip it, this will be 75% of 16, and that will be 3/4 times 16. 4 here 1, 4 here 4, and that will give 12. It is that simple. So try this and leave your answers in the comment. What is 18% of 50? Another one, calculate 24% of 20. Leave your answer in the comments.